Second function is average function. It is a basic function, but you need to learn some techniques. So the example is same. What we will write the formula, that is average. A simple kit can tell you what is the average. It will be on sum of the numbers divided by the count of the number. So it's the average. You can write it by writing average, and you can copy this thing, and you can right click. I'm just pressing my control right formulas. So as of now it is giving me error. I need 2 comments from your side, not 2, basically 3. I'll just do now. I need to comment when there's some blank cell in between. So I have written it ignores your blank cells. So if you just drag, you can see here the average is 309, and which is the correct. And in this case we have a 0 in between, and if you do average for this, it will count as a 5, and average is 230. If I delete this as a 0, this impact my cell. So why it is happening, you need to comment it, and whether this average, what I am doing, average to average to average, is this correct one, you need to comment it. And it's a simple formula to find your average numbers. You can write it like this, average, and you can write 100, 200, you can write up to 255 characters.